Welcome to this class. If you're looking to boost your editing speed in Adobe Premiere Pro, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Paul, and over the last decade, I've edited thousands of videos for clients and personal projects. Today, video editing is our full-time business, and it's helped us reach over 100,000 students in 180 countries. We've earned a passive income, built a life of freedom, and it all started with learning Adobe Premiere Pro. These tools transform our editing workflow, and now I want to help you do the same. I'm excited to share with you 10 tips that will help you edit 10 times faster and make your workflow more efficient. In today's fast-paced world, speed and efficiency are essential, especially when it comes to video editing. Every content creator knows that the quicker you edit, the more projects you can tackle, and the more time you have to focus on creating amazing content. That's why I've compiled 10 proven tips that will help you edit 10 times faster in Premiere Pro. Throughout this class, we'll cover essential techniques that simplify your workflow, minimize time-consuming tasks, and streamline your editing process. You'll learn how to leverage Premiere Pro's powerful features to enhance your productivity without sacrificing quality. Each tip is designed to be practical and easy to implement, allowing you to see immediate results in your editing speed. By the end of this class, you'll have a toolkit of strategies at your disposal, enabling you to tackle any editing project with confidence and speed. And remember, it's not just about working faster, it's about working smarter. So, if you're ready to take your video editing to the next level and free up more time for creativity, let's jump right in. Grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's start editing 10 times faster together.